ठीक है।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all of us fellow seekers of unlimited happiness. Welcome to this workshop to mark the launch of Happiness Unlimited by Manoj Arora. I'd like to call the publisher of the book, Kapil Malhotra, to speak a few words and introduce the book as well as Manoj.
Good morning and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, friends. Manoj, hi. I welcome you all to celebrate the birth of this new book, Happiness Unlimited. Each book seeks to be special in some way or the other. Thousands of books are published. But of the tens of thousands of books published, very few actually turn out to be special. The book we are celebrating here today is indeed special. It's special not because we published it or because Manoj is sitting here and I have to say so, but because it seeks to tell us, guide us to that ultimate universal goal, namely happiness. After all, isn't that what all of us finally seek in life? Happiness alone. It is happiness that drives us in all that we pursue. So while we may think that we want to be rich, powerful, successful, popular, or whatever, all that we actually want is to be happy. Always happy. Yet happiness proves both transient and elusive. It comes and it goes. So where then does lasting happiness lie? And how do we find it? If we can discover that, it will transform our life forever. This is a vital question that this book addresses, which is why it's special. Equally, the book also suggests how you can shape your own destiny by mastering your thoughts. So this is a big book. It's a bold book with a big, bold aim, which is why its publication and release today is worthy of celebration. Now, to those of you who may not know him as well as I do, I would also like to say something about the book's author, Manoj Arora. I venture to do so because I think I know him very well. It's another matter that we may have met him only, we may have met only 4 or 5 times in all, say for about 6 hours in total. But I know him very well. That's because during his book's publication, I read it maybe 10 times. From start to finish, from end to end, every word of it. Discussed and argued about some of the ideas and thoughts that the book contains. And when you do that, you get to know the writer very well. You get a fix on what he or she is about. You come to understand the writer's thinking. You get to know his or her sincerity or conviction. You understand why he or she is writing the book in the first place. You also get to read between the lines. And you get a glimpse of the distance between the man and his word that he has written. And that's how you come to know a lot about the writer. That's how I have come to know that Manoj is a man of his convictions. I have come to appreciate his sincerity. It rings clear through the words that he has written in this book. I have come to know that he is also bold in his thinking and extremely disciplined in working on what he believes in. And he believes that this book can help transform your life and shape our destinies. So this book is a freedom song, friends. Because once you're always happy, you're also free from all sense of limitation. Or is it the other way around? Let's get Manoj to tell us that and more in the workshop that follows. Thank you.